Did you know the Ultrahuman Ring Air can actually predict a fever before you even feel it? Today, I'm going through the top 5 reasons why it's a must-have for keeping tabs on your health every day. I must say, this tiny smart ring is packed with tons of features. If you haven't seen our unboxing and first review yet, definitely check it out after this, because I went over everything from the sleek packaging to my first impressions. First off, the design is just so clean. This thing weighs only 2.4 grams, so it's super light, and you can wear it on any finger. It's made from fighter jet grade titanium with a tungsten carbide carbon coating. It's tough as nails but looks and feels more like jewelry than some clunky gadget. Also, it's fully waterproofed. I've been wearing it every day, and honestly, it's so comfortable. Compared to smartwatches, it's a total game changer, especially for sleep tracking. I used to wear my Galaxy Watch all the time, but now I'm totally hooked on this smart ring instead. Next, I'm really excited about its health tracking. 2 things stand out here. First, it's loaded with sensors that monitor all your key vitals, everything you need to stay on top of your game. There's a dedicated temperature sensor that tracks your skin temp 24/7, which is a big plus. It can catch sudden spikes and even tip you off that you might be getting sick before you notice anything. Like, if the recovery score dips below 60, but the sleep score's up above 80, something's up. And it's usually not just a bad night. 9 times out of 10, it's your body saying, hey, you're about to get sick. This ring's basically a health detective, and that's pretty cool. The second thing is Ultrahuman's power plugs. They take it to another level, something no other ring is doing. I talked about these in my last video, but they just rolled out a new one called Social Jetlag. It compares your mid-sleep time on workdays versus weekends to show how inconsistent your sleep schedule is. I'm totally dealing with social jet lag thanks to my weird sleep habits. A big gap can throw off your body's rhythm, leaving you tired, foggy, or even impacting your health. This power plug tracks that and nudges you to tweak your routine for better consistency, which means better recovery and feeling great. Other smart rings aren't dropping free features this useful, and that's why I think this might just be the best of the smart rings. Thirdly, the price. You'd think this would be a crazy expensive smart ring, but nope, it's only $349. Plus, if you use the code right here, you get 10% off too. Unlike Oura or other rings that nickel and dime you with fees, this is basically all in. Ultrahuman offers 2 power plugs and some ring insurance, but pretty much everything else is free. No hidden costs, just straight up value. Check out the link in the description for more info. Next, let's talk about the Ultrahuman app, because it's loaded with features. You can see at a glance how well you slept, how much you moved, your recovery status, even when to skip that late coffee for better sleep. And you can also sync up your ring data with other health apps, so it's so supportive in that case. My sleep's all over the place, as you can tell from that social jet lag power plug. The app's got tons of health and sleep data, but I'll be real, it can feel a bit busy. The key stats aren't always in the same spot, and those power plug modules mix things up. If you're a data geek, you'll probably love it, but I think it could be simpler and easier to read. Hopefully, they streamline it down the road to make it more chill and focused. Finally, let's talk about battery life, because this thing's better than I expected. My Ultrahuman ring lasts 3 to 4 days, sometimes even longer than that. I had some connectivity glitches at first, but an update fixed that, and now it's working fine. The Ultrahuman team keeps pushing out regular updates for the ring and app, which is why it performs so well day in and day out. It comes with a slick little USB-C charging puck, no charging case like the Galaxy Ring, and it charges up fast. I would like to see a charging case for the next generation of the Ultrahuman Ring Air, because that would be a solid upgrade if you're competing with other brands. It's so low maintenance I barely think about charging it, so that's a total win for me. So, wrapping up, the Ultrahuman Ring Air is hands down one of the best smart rings out there right now. It's packed with awesome features, no subscription required, and the team's always improving it with fresh updates. Whether you're a fitness buff or just want to level up your health game, this ring's a no-brainer. They also have a premium edition called Ultrahuman Rare if you're into luxury. Click the link in the description to grab a 10% discount right now. Again, thanks to Ultrahuman for sending this, and thank you all for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.